Did you know that if your eyes are burning while you're driving and you're starting to get sleepy, it might not be a medical condition. You might have an exhaust leak on your trucks. Newer trucks have higher exhaust pressure between the turbo and the DPF filters, which causes exhaust leaks to be a lot more common in front of or below of the cab. If those exhaust fumes are seeping into the cab, you may be getting carbon monoxide poisoning. If you need to get your truck checked out, give us a call at 708-670-5566 or visit us on the southeast side of Chicago at 13518 South Oxy.